Good day, Internet. Welcome back to my channel. Well, today we are here at the company's garden in the city centre of Cape Town, and that is to enjoy International Public Arts Festival. We're going on a guided tour, so please come and walk with us.
Very sentimental, because the artist who done this art piece, he promised the lady that he will donate money towards operation. And this artist, the idea of always having women in his artwork is, and you always find is water, and they are come out like victorious women out of the water. That is why his art name is Brave Buffy. And because he regarded these women as brave because they came from emotional abuse and all types of abuse, but at the end of the day they come out victoriously out of that situation. So the water demonstrates, they came out of the situation that they had experienced. This is a young artist from Thailand. She's only 25 years old, and when I asked her what does humanity means to you, she said it's about nature, the flowers, the animals, everything outside in nature. That is important to her and she loves it. So that is her perception of humanity. Decor One and Lynette, they both South African artists, and the design was done by Bass Art and a studio in Salt River called Muti Studio in Salt River. So they did the design. Although they are very professional artists, they only did the painting of it. And the idea of this is just to welcome you in Cape Town and to tell you, okay, these are the things that you can expect here in Cape Town as a tourist. Unjani means hello, how are you? Am I correct? Unjani, how are you? '89. So I think that was the same year before he died. So while he was still alive, so he was able to refurbish it and able to This one is part of the art festival. It was done yesterday. And this artist is from Quebec. Unfortunately, I couldn't speak to him to find out where is the what if in this mural, because the time he came very late to do this art mural. And so what you can do, if you put your phone there, it gives you a different effect of the mural, a better effect. had to clean the wall of in between these drawings. And this is the attempt. So it was an intense activity, and also it's very hard to find the wall like that. So we had to search all over, and eventually we found this one. And this one to him, he said it works perfectly. And also what he said, it's not so hard to get the molders off the wall. It's actually the only challenge that we have is the load shedding. Because when it's load shedding, and like I said to you earlier, Bass Art is there to develop young artists and to help them to be acknowledged in society, and their work to build just on what they are doing. It's quite difficult to find walls, and these artists on this wall, they only found the wall 3 days before they had to finish, before the end of the festival. So meaning this guy he did this painting on his own. He's from Belgium, and the theme is based on the theme humanity, and humanity is the cruelty of human beings towards the environment. If you look deeper into these, the painting, you will see there are holes in the on the animals, and that is a sign that these animals are affected due to environmental issues, you know, people throwing food in the water. Done by 2 artists, one from Israel and the one is from Hong Kong. And last year we had such issues with Israel and Palestine, and it was very difficult for these artists to start with the painting because of those issues. And this was not the idea that they want to do something like that. And all of a sudden they came up with something, you know, we have to do something that really is to the benefit of all of us. So if you look at the colors there, you find the Palestine colors in there, you find even colors of other countries in there. So the idea is what affects Palestine also affects all of us. So it's not only your story, but it's our story. So all of us have challenges, all our countries have challenges, and there's a lot of things that affect all of us in different countries. It's also about humanity. Humanity can affect everyone. It can affect the children, the ears. It can affect babies. It can affect adults. So in this mural, we dispute, you know, what the person is thinking, what happened, what is happening in the future, about the future, what's going to happen. She is wondering about the future. So these children, they are so insecure about the future. And this is just humankind, you know, we all have concerns about what is going to happen with us, with our children and the future. Was done last year, theme humanity, and for this artist, humanity is about what COVID caused on us as human beings. So if you look at this mural, it's like it's a couple. We are so close to each other, but we can't even touch hands. And this artist is from South Africa. He lives in Pretoria, and he also has a nice mural in Saltwater. my tour. It was, if I don't have guests, then the tour actually means nothing to me. And thank you for being so patient with the walk, because I know it's quite a long walk. But if people are not interested, it can really make the tour very boring. But I am so happy that I had your participation on the tour, and you actually encouraged me to continue and to walk and talk, and I really enjoyed your energy on this tour. Thank you.